Hi, I'm Ruth with Sage Gardens and Art Studio, and I'm getting ready to make a block to send to Barry, the quilter. He is a retired electrician that started doing quilting, and he's making a quilt to auction off, and the results go to the Alzheimer's Foundation, which is a good thing, I think, since Richard has suffered with dementia. They don't ever know if it's Alzheimer's until you're dead, so we don't know for sure, but he does have short-term memory loss, and it is a problem he has to deal with. Anyway, Barry said he wanted to do it in red, white, and blue, so I have these fabrics here. This is my blue. This is one of the reds I've got. I've got a couple different choices. I might make 2 blocks and send to him. This is a kind of a darker, almost wine red. And then I got some stuff from the Dollar Tree. They have fat quarters for $1.25. And so I've gotten, occasionally I picked up stuff, and this is a red from them. And then I just found this plain red block. And then this is kind of it's kind of white, but it's got a little bit of gray in it too, but I'm gonna use this for my white. So red, white, and blue, that's what we're gonna do. So now I just gotta measure it, get it trimmed up, and they're making a potato chip quilt. So the blocks are 2.5 inches by 4.5 inches. And when you put the whole block together, it'll be 12.5 inches total. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting for this. So hopefully I won't have any problems. Trim everything off, get it even, and then start cutting it up. Let's see. I do have an AccuQuilt Go, but since I'm not making that many, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it the hard way. Let's see. There we go. So I just need 2.5. Let's see, I have a different ruler here that might work better for this short little thing here. 2.5. This would be 2.5 wide. Be about perfect here.